The National Commission for Women, NCW, in collaboration with the Meghalaya State Women's Commission today held a regional level consultation on combating human trafficking in Northeastern region at the Northeastern Council Auditorium, Shillong. The objective of the consultation was to improve the effectiveness in tackling cases of human trafficking, raising awareness among women and girls, capacity building and training of anti-trafficking units, and to strengthen and sensitize law enforcement machineries. In her address, Rekha Sharma, Chairperson, National Commission for Women, appreciated the scenario of women in the Northeast and their dominance in every field. Sharma stressed on devising newer methods of prevention, protection and prosecution of human trafficking of women in Northeast region, since the region shares international borders with countries like Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, which has invariably become a transit point.
Northeastern Council and all of you to work on this menace, and we have to do together. Not one of us can control this, because traffickers have got long hands. They have got all the facilities of the world, and they have a very nice networking. Especially digitally, they are connected with each other. But I think somewhere the police, especially the units which are specially for anti-human trafficking units, they are not still properly trained to work on it, though everybody is now working and talking about the training of these units. But still we have to do much more